Hey guys, let me welcome you in the classroom activity. And today's classroom activity is based on debate class. The topic of the debate class is online classes versus offline classes. Nowadays, these two methods of a study becomes one of the biggest discussions matters among society. Most of the parents thinks that online classes is better, and some of the parents think that offline classes are better. So which class is better, whether the online or the offline? Let's discuss 10 points where we can prove that online class is better than the online classes. Actually, offline classes is better than the online classes. So the first topic or the first point is how offline class is better than online classes. So he is going to present the point. Yeah, take it.
The source of offline classes, a book, pens, copy, teacher, etc., by which we get knowledge.
So in offline classes, the source of a study is books, pens, okay, copies, teachers, etc. So what is the source of online classes? Who is going to make here? Yes, Buddha, take it.
Source of online classes are laptops, mobile, computer, tablets, etc.
Thank you. Wow, very nice. The second point, which mode of a study is cheaper, whether the online or the offline? Who is going to make the points? Yeah, take it.
Offline classes is the costlier than online classes because we pay the amount of monthly fee at a regular interval of month and purchase the new books, copies, etc.
Wow. So you are in favor of that the offline class is costlier because we need to pay a huge amount of money. First, getting admission in any educational institute, we need to get admission by paying a huge amount of money. So who is in favor of in online? Yes, Buddha, yes. Take it.
Online classes are cheaper than offline classes because there is no admission in there.
Wow, thank you. So she's telling that online classes is cheaper because in online classes we don't need to pay the fee monthly. We get just a course by paying a certain amount of money. कुछ हम लोग निश्चित अमाउंट में कोई कोर्स क्या कर लेते हैं, परचेज कर लेते हैं. So third point, offline, yes.
Today I am telling about some points of habits, manner and discipline of offline classes. In offline classes, teacher teaches us habits, manners and discipline and a proper environment to study.
So in offline classes, we can learn the habits, manner, discipline, okay? Because we study in the presence of teachers, and teachers teach us to maintain discipline in the classroom. Social habits and manners are also the necessary components of the lives of our students. So who is in favor of online? Yes, Vida.
In online classes, habits, manner, discipline does not need because teacher and the student interact with face to face with each other.
Okay. In online classes, friends, habits, manners and discipline doesn't matter because our students are not studying in front of the teachers. Okay. They don't interact each other. Thank you, Bada. The next point, offline classes. Yeah.
Offline classes we do extra activities with teachers like play quiz and another question solve with teachers.
Thank you. Means in offline study, in offline classes, teacher organize extra activity and that can create the enthusiasm and courage as well as interest among the students. So they enjoy offline classes. So online versus who is here? Yes, Bada.
In online classes, do not extra activity included. Teacher cannot be judged easily performance of a student and teacher does not get know the student better.
Thank you. Means in online classes extra activity can't be organized, okay, because a student are studying by their home. The next point is discussions of problems with our teacher instantly. In offline classes, who is going to make that point?
In offline classes, we ask so many questions which is related to our study.
Yeah, thank you. Means in offline a study or offline classes, a student can ask different kind of question to their teachers instantly. When they get problem, when they have doubt, they can ask to their teachers instantly. So that is the advantage of taking or doing offline classes. The next point is question inquiry. Who is going to make that point? Anyone is here? Yes. Who is the sixth point? Who wants to say? चलिए, question inquiry. Yes.
If offline classes we ask a question.
What's yes? Repeat. What is the
If offline classes ask me question.
means in offline classes teacher can inquiry, okay, means teacher can judge the performance of their students easily by just organizing, by conducting exams at the same time or in the classroom. But in online there is nothing like that. Okay, the next point is reality. Online class is not a real class, but offline class is a real class. Who is going to make that point? Yeah, take it.
Online class is reality because we interact with teachers in offline classes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so online class is not a real, but it's a virtual classes, because we don't see our teachers directly. Okay, we are totally dependent on electronic gadgets. Okay, so we can say online classes is a virtual class. The next point is in offline classes students are away from their parents or home. Who is going to make that point? Who is going to discuss? Take it.
In offline classes, students are away from their parents, due to which some students get depressed and get suicide. But in online classes, a student are near of their parents and their home.
Wow. So I would also mention some points over this point. Every coin has two aspects. The first one is head or tail. So in online classes, what happens there? Our students study in front of their parents. Okay, they don't need to travel anywhere else. They are not away from their homes or parents. But in offline classes, our students need to travel a very long distance to get education. Just like in the present scenario, people or students from all parts of the country need to go Delhi, Kota for higher education, and due to the lack of the presence of the parents, they commit suicide. They are totally distracted by these dazzling of worlds. They are failure to focus on their study because there is no one to guide them, there is no one to instruct them. So this is the demerit of offline classes, we can say here. The next point here, our students can be punished in offline classes. Are you agree? Yes, sir. Now discuss.
In offline classes, student may be punished by a teacher when they do disturb the class. But in online classes, students do disturb the class, but teachers can't able to punish them because they don't front of teachers.
Wow, very nice. So friends, this is the one of the biggest advantage of offline classes. In offline classes, when any student disturb the class, okay, he is just teaching the students, creating problems in the class. A teacher can punish him, but there is no facility of punishment in online classes. Okay, the next point is here, in offline classes, a student need to follow the proper code of conduct. Who is going to make that point? Yes, Buddha.
In offline class, we have same dress to all students, and in online class we have no same dress to.
Thank you. In offline classes, a student need to maintain a proper uniform, but in online classes there is nothing. So friends, here we have discussed the 10 points where we can say offline class is far better than online classes. So friends, this is the end of my video. You just comment us how the today's activity is, how the today's debate is. If you like that video, never forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. That's all. Thank you.